Hi, I'm Catherine Tennyson. I graduated in May of 2016 with my bachelor's in business administration from Rogers State University and with my master's in business administration from Southern Nazarene University in March of 2018. Today's Money Monday topic is all about saving money. For this session, I'm here with Ashley.
Hello.
And we'll be discussing ways to save money. Let's start with saving money on groceries. Is there a store that you prefer?
I normally just shop at Walmart. Don't they always have the best deals?
So most people think that Walmart always has the best deals, but that is not always the case, and they no longer price match anything except their own website. However, it is still possible to get the best deals in your area. For example, say you are running low on your favorite shampoo. It might be cheaper at another store in your area, but by only shopping at Walmart, you miss out on this opportunity to save money. For optimum savings, you need to look around at all the different stores in your area to find the best prices before you go shopping. The best thing about this day and age is most grocery stores post their prices online so you can find the best deals from the comfort of your own home.
But won't I be wasting gas driving to different stores?
You will be using more gas, but if you plan the most efficient route and wait until the last stop to get your cold items or consider bringing an ice chest, the savings will outweigh your gas expenses. Take toilet paper for an example.
That is an item we all need.
If we look at Dollar General, Resource, and Walmart, we can see Resource has the cheapest price on toilet paper. It is important to remember that not all sales make it into the paper ad, so it is good to check their website for additional sales. Sometimes stores get too much of an item and place that item on sale for a limited time. And remember, as you're shopping, you don't always need to get the name brand. Name brands are so much more expensive because you're paying for the name and not the actual item. There are plenty of alternatives out there that are just as good or better than the name brand itself.
Saving money on toilet paper is great and all, but what I really feel like I'm overpaying on is my cell phone plan.
The good news is that you can also apply this technique to other purchases such as cell phone plans. Let's take a look at 3 of the biggest cell phone companies in this area: AT&T, Verizon, US Cellular, and an alternative phone company called Cricket. What type of plan are you looking for?
Well, I mostly just check my email, search the web, and watch videos, so I'd like an unlimited data plan.
Okay, let's take a look at these 3 companies and see what their prices are for a single line on an unlimited plan. We can see the most expensive is Verizon at $70 a month. However, this price is only if you sign up for paper-free billing and autopay and does not include taxes and fees. The second most expensive is AT&T at $65 a month. But once again, you have to enroll in paperless billing and autopay, and this price does not include taxes and fees. The cheapest of the 3 is US Cellular, and they are $60 a month. However, we can't tell if this price is dependent on paperless billing and autopay. Also, keep in mind this is all based on contracts. Now let's compare this to the alternative company Cricket, which is a month-to-month, no contract service. Without the autopay discount, you pay $55 a month, but with the autopay discount, you pay $50 a month. This includes taxes and fees. The main thing I really want to show you with this company is this right here. 4 lines only cost you $100 if you do the auto payments. If you have 3 people you can trust, you can get this plan and split the cost between the 4 of you, and it will only cost each of you $25. This is the company I use for my cell phone, and I have 3 lines, which is $90, and a hotspot for 1 phone, which is an additional $10. These prices include taxes and fees, and there are no hidden fees, so each month our cell phone bill is only $100. Before switching to Cricket, we paid close to $140 a month with taxes and fees for only 2 phones and only 2 gigs of data. By switching, we not only saved $40, we also gained unlimited data and added an additional phone to our plan. I'm not trying to sell you on using Cricket, they're just the alternative phone company that I am most familiar with since I use them.
Are there other alternative companies, or is Cricket the only option?
There are other companies like Boost Mobile, Walmart Family Mobile, Straight Talk, and more that are available.
So did you notice any difference with your service when you switched?
We did not notice any difference with the service. The great thing about companies like Cricket or Boost Mobile is that they use towers from one of the big name companies. Cricket uses AT&T towers, so anywhere that AT&T has coverage, Cricket has coverage as well. Boost Mobile uses Sprint towers. Walmart Family Mobile uses T-Mobile towers. Straight Talk uses towers from AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, and Sprint. This is because big companies only use so much of their signal their towers produce, and they sell the rest to alternative companies at a discounted rate.
Well, that's good to know. But when I get a new plan, I also need a new phone. How can I get a new phone without spending $1,000?
When you need a new cell phone, the salespeople will try to get you to get the newest version. But don't. It's much cheaper if you get an older version. For example, the iPhone 7 is now for sale new for about $199 before taxes. A new iPhone 8 sells for $449. The new iPhone 11 sells new for $699. A new iPhone 11 Pro sells for $999. From this example, you can see how buying an old version can save you up to $800. If you do want to get the newest phone, don't do the payment plans. They make them sound like an excellent deal, but they're not. They're usually $240-ish down, plus a monthly payment of $20 to $30. You wind up paying the same amount of money, but over 12 to 24 months. This means you have $20 to $30 less a month to use. The best thing to do is budget a set amount each month to save for it, and then when you have the money saved up, just pay for it up front.
Does it really make that much of a difference if I budget for it ahead of time?
By doing this, you have time to decide if you really want the newest phone or if you're falling prey to advertisements and the I have to have it now mentality. Once you save up the money, if you still want it, then by all means purchase the new phone. But you may decide that the phone you currently have works fine and you would like to use that $1,100 for something else.
These are all really helpful tips. Are there any other ways I can save money?
I have one more tip for you to consider, and that is paying only for what you need. For example, my husband and I hardly ever watch TV, but we had cable. We decided it was pointless for us to have cable, so we got rid of it and purchased an antenna so we could watch the weather. By doing this, we saved $90 a month.
Well, don't I have to have cable in order to have internet?
Cable companies will try to get you to keep your cable and may even tell you that you have to keep it to have internet, but you don't. While you're evaluating your services, take a look at how much of your internet data allowance you use. If you find that you're consistently under your data limit, you may want to reduce your data package. Same thing with subscriptions like Netflix. How much do you use it? Do you only have it for one show? You can consider waiting until all the episodes are available, then activate your subscription. And once you're finished watching it, cancel it.
This is great information, but I have just one more question. Going back to what you were saying about grocery shopping, I'm surprised you didn't mention coupons. Aren't they a great way to save money too?
The rule that I go by is if I can't use all the product in a month, then the coupon isn't worth it.
Why is that?
Because in general, it can take away money that you could be using elsewhere for that month. Let's take a look at 3 different coupons. The first one is Annie's Products. Save $4 when you spend $20. If you spend $16 a month or more on Annie's Products, this coupon is worth it. If you do not, then don't use it. There is no reason to spend extra money just to save money on an extra product that you don't actually need. The next coupon is $3 off one Aveeno sun care product. This is a good coupon to use if you use this product and are running low or if you want to stock up before the summer. The next coupon is to save 75 cents on the purchase of 2 Skippy brand 15-ounce or more peanut butter. If you use that much peanut butter in a month, then use this coupon. But if you don't, then it's not worth it. It is always essential to evaluate if you need that much of a product before using the coupon. Don't feel like you have to use it to save some money. Coupons are designed to get you to spend more money than you normally would, or to get you to purchase a product you normally don't use. As you can see, through making informed decisions by shopping for the best deals, not getting the latest version, and only paying for what you need, you can save a lot of money.